Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. When you think of the UK and India, what comes to mind? A complex history, a shared love for cricket, maybe even a good cup of tea. Well, the story today is so much bigger than that. We're diving deep into one of the most dynamic and rapidly evolving relationships on the world stage. It's a partnership that is transforming from a post-colonial dynamic into a powerful alliance for the 21st century. From high-tech labs and bustling trade floors to joint military exercises, the ties between these two nations are stronger and more important than ever. So grab your chai or your cuppa and let's explore how India and the UK are building a future together. First, let's talk numbers because they tell a fascinating story. The trade relationship between India and the UK is booming. We're talking about billions of pounds exchanging hands every year. The UK is one of the largest investors in India, and Indian companies are making huge waves in the UK, becoming some of the biggest job creators. It's a two-way street of prosperity. Think about the iconic British brand Jaguar Land Rover, now owned by India's Tata Motors. Or consider the thousands of Indian restaurants that are a staple of British high streets. This isn't just about big corporations. It's about everyday goods, from Indian spices and mangoes filling UK supermarkets to British machinery helping to build Indian infrastructure. This deep economic connection forms the bedrock of their modern partnership, creating jobs and opportunities in both countries. Now, let's shift from trade to tech, where things get really exciting. India's rise as a global tech powerhouse, with hubs like Bengaluru and Hyderabad, has found a perfect partner in the UK's own world-class tech scene in London and Cambridge. This isn't just a simple trade of services, it's a true collaboration. We're seeing joint ventures in everything from financial technology or fintech, revolutionizing how we manage money, to health tech, developing life-saving medical solutions. The UK-India Tech Partnership is a formal agreement designed to bring the brightest minds from both countries together. They're working on shared challenges, fostering innovation, and creating the next generation of digital services. This synergy is crucial, as both nations recognize that the future will be written in code, and by working together, they can lead the way. One of the most exciting frontiers in this tech collaboration is artificial intelligence. AI is no longer science fiction. It's shaping our world right now, and both India and the UK want to be at the forefront of this revolution. They are pooling their resources and expertise to develop ethical and human-centric AI. This involves joint research projects at top universities, shared data initiatives, and dialogues on how to govern this powerful technology responsibly. The goal is to use AI to solve some of humanity's biggest problems, whether it's tackling climate change, improving agricultural yields, or creating smarter, more efficient cities. This AI partnership is a clear sign that their relationship is forward-looking, aiming not just to adapt to the future, but to actively build it. Beyond the digital world, the India-UK relationship has a very real-world strategic dimension: military and defense cooperation. In an increasingly uncertain global landscape, this partnership has become more important than ever. It's moved far beyond just buying and selling equipment. Today, we see the Indian and British navies, armies, and air forces conducting complex joint exercises. These exercises, with names like Konkan for the Navy and Ajaya Warrior for the Army, are designed to improve interoperability, meaning they can work together seamlessly if a crisis arises. They share intelligence, collaborate on counterterrorism strategies, and work together to ensure maritime security in key waterways like the Indian Ocean. This defense tie-up is a powerful statement about their shared commitment to a stable and secure world order. And of course, we can't talk about the connection between India and the UK without mentioning the incredible cultural and people-to-people ties. This is the living bridge that truly animates the relationship. The Indian diaspora in the UK, now numbering over 1.5 million people, is a vibrant and influential community that has profoundly enriched British society in every field imaginable. From business and politics to arts and cuisine. Just think about the food. The chicken tikka masala, a dish famously born in the UK from Indian roots, perfectly symbolizes this beautiful fusion of cultures. It's a relationship built not just in boardrooms and government offices, but in kitchens, classrooms, and communities. This cultural exchange is a dynamic two-way flow. In India, British literature, film, and music have long been popular, and the English language itself is a major link. In the UK, Indian festivals like Diwali and Holi are now celebrated with huge public enthusiasm, bringing color and joy to British cities. Education is another huge pillar. The UK is a top destination for Indian students seeking world-class higher education. And these students become lifelong ambassadors, strengthening the bonds between the two nations for generations to come. This shared cultural fabric is incredibly resilient and provides a deep, personal connection that diplomacy alone cannot replicate. It's the heart and soul of the partnership. So where is this all heading? The vision is clear: a comprehensive strategic partnership. Both governments are currently negotiating an ambitious free trade agreement, or FTA. This isn't just about tweaking tariffs. It's about creating a deep economic relationship for the 21st century, covering everything from services and digital trade to green technology. The goal is to double trade by 2030, a target that shows the scale of their ambition. This FTA would be a landmark deal, signaling a new era of economic alignment and making it easier than ever for businesses in both countries to work together, innovate, and grow. It's the next logical step in their evolving story. Looking at the big picture, the India-UK relationship is a model for how former colonial powers and newly ascendant nations can forge a modern, equal partnership. It's a relationship built on shared values like democracy, the rule of law, and a commitment to a multilateral world order. As the world's geopolitical center of gravity shifts towards the Indo-Pacific, the UK sees India as an indispensable partner for security and stability in the region. For India, a post-Brexit UK offers a unique and independent gateway to global markets and technological expertise. Together, they form a powerful axis, capable of tackling global challenges from public health crises to climate change and cybersecurity. In conclusion, the story of India and the UK is no longer just about history. It's a story of a vibrant, forward-looking partnership that is firing on all cylinders. From the billions of pounds in trade and investment to the cutting-edge collaboration in AI and tech. From joint military exercises securing the high seas to the rich cultural tapestry woven by millions of people. This is a relationship that is constantly reinventing itself, driven by mutual respect, shared ambitions, and a clear-eyed understanding that they are stronger together. The living bridge between these two great nations is not just standing strong. It's expanding every single day, paving the way for a future of shared prosperity and security. Thank you so much for watching. What part of the India-UK relationship fascinates you the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the stories shaping our world. See you in the next one.